stick around because I have some ideas on how to use this minifigure. Now let's make some improvements and make other characters out of this minifigure as well. In order to make this look like a real dragon, you remove the head that was inside the dragon helmet, and then we're going to add one stud that is clear orange. It could be any color really. Put that in the head, and then the hard part is fitting this through the mouth into the head, like so. In order to do this, you'll slide it through the side of the mouth and then shift it over to the middle, and then just push down on that top stud you already put in. Then put that directly on the body, and now you have a turret looking thing coming out of his mouth. If you have this piece, you could do a little flame coming out. Next, you'll need one of the orange pieces with a hole in the middle with the inside part facing in, so you can build on top of this. With these two pieces, put them together, go. And now he is breathing fire. And that's how to make it look like a real dragon. And if you don't like this and you just want it to be a normal minifigure, not breathing fire, but still looking like a legitimate dragon, then we can take all this out. We can put this clear orange head on, so it looks like that his mouth inside is the fire building up. That is how to make this dragon look realistic. Now we're going to be turning this dragon into the Green Goblin from Miles Morales' universe, 1610.